Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Myojo. They've got some neat, new, exciting stuff for me to check out. Let's see what they got. Oh, rad. Well, this was nice of them. They threw in some goodies. Check it out. Some Myojo branded chopsticks. Thank you. I've got a big collection of chopsticks that companies have sent me, and this is really cool. Thanks. And they also sent a couple stickers and a rad soup spoon. I use these all the time, so an extra is really handy. Thanks. So check this out. We've got a plant-based creamy tonkatsu. And the tonkatsu varieties these folks make are second to none. They're really quite good. And I'm really curious, though. They're plant-based. This is something you would find in the refrigerated section. As is this. This is a yuzu shio. Fancy. Now, I reached out to them because I saw this, and I wasn't sure. I've never seen anything like this from them before, at least domestically. These are bowls, and this is a stir-fry noodles savory miso bowl. I'm really curious how these are prepared. Is this going to be a... Yeah, I don't see a broth with this. This sounds interesting. They're microwavable. Remove. Yeah, it looks kind of like a sauce and noodle thing that you would just make in the microwave, so that's cool. This, on the other hand, does have broth. This is a tonkatsu. What I'm curious about, does this have... And indeed, there is pork in this. This is a U.S. available pork tonkatsu. This is cool. Very nice. And then we've got a sweet and spicy habanero flavor. I know that they did in their refrigerated packs, they did a habanero one, so this will probably be quite good too. And then we've got a spicy miso ramen. This one has broth as well. Well, very nice. This is a lot of neat new stuff to try from Myojo USA. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Looking forward, and yeah, you'll be seeing these reviewed quite soon. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.